Hello, today I'll be showing you how to fix flight mode of Nokia 520. As you can see, it's still, I'm trying to put it off, but it's still coming on. So today I'll show you how to fix it. I'll show you how to fix it. As you can see, it is in flight mode. I'll show you how to fix it. What you need: flashing file or window recovery tool. But for my case, I've already downloaded the flashing file. Also, you need this software, Nokia software. Now it's time to see how to fix it. I'll be showing you how to fix that. It is not showing. It is even not showing IME. It is not even showing. As you can see, it does not even show the I mean IME. It is not showing, so that is the problem. That's why it is in flight mode. So we are trying to connect on to server to see. Hold on. As you can see now, it failed, but for me, I have already downloaded file, so I'll be not logging in. I'll be working on offline. As you can see now, I have already saved my flashing file, so it's time to flash. Say I understand what I want to continue. Then it is checking. As you can see now, here is our IME. It is here. It was not showing, so we are checking the software. Software is checking software. Phone, check phone. As you can see now, it is time. Please do not disconnect your phone. Please be patient. This is how to fix flight mode of Nokia 520 or RM-941. Please, if this tutorial is helpful to you, please subscribe, share, leave a comment, give a like. Please bear with me, I'm in another place, so please bear with me. I mean, be patient. Don't mind about the noise in the background, because I'm working in a noisy place. Please do not disconnect your phone. As you can see, finished. Let us try and see if it worked. Let's see. Hold on, since it is the first time. Now you can see, at first we had here wait until the apps, wait for the apps. Few more apps still need to finish to install. It should just take another moment or two. Please do not disconnect. Do not disconnect until this button gets active. Okay. Still, the next button is not active, so please hold on. Don't get tired, as you can see, but at least the other first time we had Wi-Fi, I mean flight mode here, but now you can see there is a sign that at least we have already fixed it. Be patient. Now the phone, it is now active. The button next. We are almost done. It is loading. You want to see if we're still having the same problem which we had at the first time. Now let us check. Close. Let us check and see if it is still refusing. Setting. Where is settings? Wait. Go where? Oh, it need to restart first. Hold on. Wait. Now let us check. As you can see now, settings. Let us try to go to turn off flight mode. As you can see now, it is off. On. The other first time it was not even sliding off, it was on. However much you slide it off, it comes back to on. Now, as you can see, it is off. Let us check our IME and see if as you can see now. Let us check, because the other time was nil or empty. As you can see now, we do have it. That was only the problem, so you need to flash it again to fix it. Thanks. Bye. See you in the next video.